Alright guys, so if you've got your brand new Mavic 2 and you're having troubles syncing. I kind of had the same problem with my last Mavic, so I was not surprised to find the same issue this time. DJI really needs to work on their connecting of the remote link directly to the Mavic Pro. So here's what I'm going to do. Basically the crux of the issue is I find that I can't sync when I'm going through using the remote small cable. So my prediction into solving the connection issue with the drone and the remote is to actually use the longer USB-C cable that they provide, or you can, if you're using an iPhone, use your own charging cable that you've got. Okay, so what I'm going to do is basically turn on the drone, put it in pairing mode. So you'll see on the bottom there is the pairing switch. Press it once and then you'll see it turns red, and the yellow lights are indicating that it's looking for a connection with the remote. I'm going to turn on the remote now. It's really important that you unplug the existing link cable and use your own charge cable. Okay, so if you plug them in at the same time, I find that it doesn't work for me. So I'm going to use the USB-C cable that comes with it, plug it into the bottom of the remote control. Okay, then I'm going to fire up the app itself, DJI, going to enter device, connect to the aircraft, go through those screens, make sure your Mavic Pro is fully unfolded and ready, switched on. Then I'm going to press next, go to step number 3, which is connecting the RC cable to the RC. Connecting it now. Sometimes you may want to fiddle with the cable just in case. And then you see that it's come up now. It's identified the charge cable is connected to the RC. I just put transfer files, and now it's detecting the aircraft. I'm using the Huawei P20 Pro, so this is especially good for you Android users. Now I want to link with the aircraft itself. Press link the aircraft. Press the button. All right, it's already blinking. Press the link button on the bottom of the aircraft to start linking it. When the indicator light changes from red to green, the RC and the aircraft have been linked. Okay, so I'm going to press the link button. As you can see, it's still yellow. Pressing it now, and you'll hear that beep. And there we have it, connection successful. So basically my tips for my situation, if your remote is not connecting with your Mavic Pro 2, simply use your own charge cable and connect it directly into the bottom of the remote, and don't connect the current one at the existing one at the same time. Make sure you have either one or the other. Test it first to see if the default one works. If not, use this charging cable method separately. Okay. Whoops. I wish you all the best, guys. Happy flying, and I hope to share some awesome, cool footage in the next couple of days. Cheers.